The polling for the 16th presidential election 2022, which commenced at 10 a.m. today, the 18th of July 2022, in committee room number 63, Parliament House, New Delhi, and at designated places in the capitals of all states, including NCT of Delhi and Union Territory of Puducherry, closed at 5 p.m. The poll was conducted in a peaceful and an orderly manner in all the designated places all over the country. Out of the 736 electors, comprising 727 members of parliament and 9 members of legislative assemblies who were permitted by the Election Commission of India to vote at Parliament House, New Delhi, 730 electors comprising 721 members of parliament and 9 members of legislative assemblies cast their votes before closure of the poll, that is 5 p.m. The total elector turnout at Parliament House, New Delhi was accordingly 99.18%. The assistant returning officers of various states will start arriving with the polled sealed ballot boxes to Parliament House, New Delhi by road and by air from today evening itself. The first ballot box is expected to arrive in Parliament House around 10 p.m. today. All necessary security arrangements for safe transit of ballot boxes from the airport to Parliament House have been made.